Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got this 2023 Civic Type R finished in probably the best colour that is on this model, racing blue. Now, as standard on these Type Rs, you do receive the honeycomb front gloss black grills with the LED daytime running lights. You also get front and rear parking sensors as well. As standard, you will get these 19-inch alloy wheels as standard, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss, which is probably the best tyre compound you could possibly get for any car. It is almost like a racing compound, but still road legal. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can see what the design pattern on the new steel alloys are. But walking around the rear now, you'll notice that we do still, as usual, have the 3 exhaust tips at the back. That is the signature Type R, as it has been for the past few years. We've then got your reversing sensors and your reversing camera up at the top. And we've also got this nice little GT wing up at the top as well. For a Type R, being a hot hatchback, you do still get plenty of room in the tailgate. We've also got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats. And then you do also have the pullover privacy shelf just here, which marries up with this little cover here, just to make sure you do have maximum privacy for any private items in the tailgate of the car. Walking around again, just going into the rear alloy here. In the back of the car now, we do have full Alcantara seats with the red seat belts for the Type R. You've then got 2 cup holders in the middle, which makes this car a 4-seater. You've then got full keyless entry and keyless start, and you do still have the red bucket seats, which have improved massively from the previous generation of Type R. Inside the car now, it's business as usual. You've got the electric handbrake with brake hold, you've got your stop start off, and then we've got your drive mode. Within this button here, you can go between your comfort, sport and individual settings. The Type R has now been moved to its own button just at the top here. You have the aluminium teardrop gearbox gear stick as well. As you can see, it is still a short shifter, so that it is nice and easy to get in and out the gears. It is a 6-speed manual as well, with your wireless phone charger ahead of it and your 2 USB ports just there, which enable you to charge your phone or use your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've then got dual climate control as well, and then we have your 10-inch display up in the middle, which comes with your Honda Log R, which tells you all of the temperatures, all of the pressures that is going on within the car as we speak. It also shows you how the geometry is doing, and it is just in depth, mainly for track use, as you would expect. We've then got satellite navigation as standard, FM, Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth hands-free. It is as you would get any standard Civic inside the infotainment system. We've then got your volume settings, track select and voice control. The little bezel here does control the infotainment system up in the middle, just there, so you can see exactly what's going on with the car. We've then got your cruise control system on the right hand side, which has your cruise control, speed limiter, distance control and lane keep assist. You can use the button here just to siphon through your onboard computer, as you can see. It is the 10.5-inch display digital dashboard as well, which comes as standard on the advanced model, but on this one it has been slightly tweaked to fit all of the Honda Type R systems. We've then got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see on the odometer just here, the car has only done 10 miles to this date. Jumping back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information regarding this Boost Blue Civic Type R, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you soon here at the Blackpool Honda dealership.